Okay guys, good morning and welcome to the Rio Grande. Please watch yourself as we leave the station. We have pirates on the right hand side. Please keep your hands, your arms and legs inside the carriages at all times. Thank you. Pirates. Okay then guys, as we leave the station and trundle up the hill, our first port of call will be Tornado Springs, the newest attraction here at Paultons Park. Now over on the driver's left hand side here, we have the Storm Chaser. And over in the far right hand corner, Al's Auto Academy. Coming up now on the driver's left, we have the Rio Grande Railway Company's head office. Any complaints about your driver here today? Please email them to this address. Heading down now to the main junction at Tornado Springs. Our little nature train is getting off to a great start. Here, on the left-hand side of the driver, perched up on the fence, we have a very, very rare bird. This here is a Hampshire Golden Eagle. Now, not quite so rare, but also on the left-hand side, the legendary mice of Paultons Park. These guys here can grow to around about 3'6" in height, eating vegetables alone. My mate Wurzel Gummidge on the right hand side. High five, Wurzel. Okay, this is where we leave the relative safety of Tornado Springs behind. We'll cross the junction and into the deepest, darkest forest of Paultons Park. The last 2 or 3 trips in these woods, I've seen lions, I've seen tigers, and I've seen bears. Lions, tigers and bears, oh my. Okay then folks, as we leave the woods, let me share with you the history of Paultons Park. Now over to my right here we have the river stroke moat. Now this used to wrap itself totally around Paultons Park. The old manor house which existed here was built on an island. Now the manor dates back to 1086 and was originally owned by Glastonbury Abbey. Then passed on to a much more famous owner, what I'm sure you will have heard of. His name was Henry VIII. Now, when Henry finished with the manor, it moved to a family called the Sloane Stanley family. They had the manor for over 212 years, quite some time. Possibly the best thing they did for it was to employ a young landscape gardener to come in and do much of the landscaping you will see around the park today. His name was Capability Brown. Now, during the war, the manor house was used as a girls' school. And then from 1945 to 1955, it operated as a hotel. fell into rack and ruin, I'm afraid, after this date, and then mysteriously, one bonfire night, November the 5th, 1963, the manor house burnt to the ground. We now move on to 1979. This is when John and Anne Mancy stepped up and bought an auction all the gardens north of the river. They worked on these gardens, then opened them up to the public in 1983. Things have gone from strength to strength, and it's Paultons Park as you know it today, still owned by the Mancy family. Now interestingly, the Sloane Stanley family moved up into London, and still to this day own acres and acres around the Chelsea area. There we have it, guys. Around the next bend and we'll drop back into Paulton Station. And the exit for the station is at this end of the platform. My name's Graham, I hope you enjoyed the trip. I hope you enjoyed the history. And most of all, guys, I hope you have a tremendous day here in Paultons Park. Thank you very much indeed.